For many of us, we've had to reimagine how we use our home. A space that does everything at once. A meeting room, a classroom, a playroom, and a space to relax. At Bryant and Cairns, we'd like to help make things easier. Thanks to recent technological advancements, our conservatory extensions create a unique, adaptable space that can be used all year round. With glass, solid and hybrid roof options, we can design, build and install beautiful spaces, created to your exact needs. And thanks to the prefabricated nature of our products and our in-house management of your project, from quote to final installation, we can design, build and install your unique space up to 6 times faster than using other standalone trades, and at a saving to you, the client. So if you're looking for that extra space for the kids to play whilst you work, or a quiet space to conduct meetings, or simply that perfect place to unwind at night, why not let Bryant and Cairns help turn that space into reality? And, as everybody needs a little extra help during these unusual times, we've decided to extend an additional discount across our entire product range, so there's never been a better time to buy. See our website at bryantandcairns.co.uk for full details. Bryant and Cairns, helping to build a space for work, rest or play.